without the Patriot ViewPoint. I'm sorry. It's only the second or third time it's gotten to me.
Macular degeneration is an incurable disease that results in the loss of vision. It affects almost 200 million people worldwide. This is the experience of one.
Without the Patriot ViewPoint, the world is a constant fog. Everywhere I go, I can see shapes, and I identify people without the viewpoint by their walk, their shape, their voice, the way they stand. But with the viewpoint, I can see details. The last 3 or 4 or 5 years, my vision has declined. And this has reversed what I can see. I feel like I can see like I was 20, 30 years ago. And the viewpoint has saved the day many, many times.
Patriot Vision Industries. See for yourself. A sight to be seen.